Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another wonderful weight loss video. Now, this is the series that I've been telling you about where I bring you different types of recipes that's going to help you to get rid of 30 pounds in 30 days. Now, these are very simple, easy recipes that you can just juice. And if you don't have a juicer, you can blend them, strain them, and still get the same results. Okay? So, I'm going to be using my juicer today. If you don't have a juicer, that's okay. Now, the main ingredient in this is celery. You're going to need a bushel of celery. Celery provides dietary fiber, which boosts digestion and weight loss. One large bushel of celery contains only 10 calories. Celery has a high percentage of water and electrolytes that prevent dehydration and also reduces bloating. This is also good for eye health by reducing the chances of cataracts. It keeps your kidney and urinary bladder healthy and eliminates bladder disorders and problems in urinary tract infections in women. Now, one bushel of celery will give you almost a full 550 milliliters of fluid. Okay, so I'm just going to pour that in my container that I have on the side. And my next ingredient is ginger root. Now, I have at least 3 to 4 inches of ginger root, and I'm going to blend that up as well. Ginger root can root out all of your weight-related problems. It's very useful at accelerating your metabolism, and it's full of antioxidants and relieves nausea, infections, and decreases the risk of developing cancerous cells. Ginger root will also help to shrink your muffin top at lightning speed. Now, the ginger root gave me about 1/4 cup of juice. So I'm just going to pour that into my cup as well. And the last ingredient that I'm going to be adding is pineapple. Now, I like my juice with natural sweeteners. So this is a wonderful way to be able to consume your celery without that bitter taste. So I have right here 2 cups of pineapple. Pineapple is a good source of fiber and is great for your gut. It is rich in fiber and therefore aids in digestion. It is low in calories. It's a great source of antioxidants and vitamin C. It has great carbs and it keeps you hydrated. Pineapple also curbs your appetite and is a powerhouse of manganese. So 2 cups of chunk pineapples gives me a cup of pineapple juice. And I'm just going to pour that into my cup. So in total, I have 3 1/4 cup of liquid in my pitcher. And you drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. Now, this is what's going to help to sustain you, give you that full feeling. It's going to cleanse and detox your body. This is a diuretic, so it will have you going to the bathroom. Okay, you will be flushing out toxins and you're going to feel wonderful. Okay. So like I said, you guys, this is a wonderful, refreshing way to lose weight. You consume this every day for 30 days, and you can also mix and match these 30-day detoxes that I'm giving you. This way you don't get bored and you have a variety of different ways to shed that 30 pounds. So I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey and who wants to get their body ready. This has wonderful benefits for your body. Try this for 30 days, you guys. And don't forget to also visit my Amazon affiliate links for these wonderful items, such as the reusable metal straws, the personal size and full size NUTRIBULLET blenders, and so much more. Also check the links in the description box for my eBay store, where you will get the detox tonics, flat and firm belly detox, herbal honeys, natural herbs and spices that's going to take your weight loss journey to another level. It's going to boost your body up. All right, and don't forget to also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you'll see hair care, skincare, family challenges, and more. All right, so y'all, until the next time, I will see you in the next video. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the links to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.